QNAP provides the best private storage solution. And now you can share the files in your private NAS to your team members in Microsoft Teams. When you send the message in Teams channel or chat, click QNAP NAS File Services icon to start sharing files. After logging in with your QID, select one of your NAS and you can browse the data in the NAS. Select the files you want to share. Your team members don't need to have a NAS to access the files. For your data security, you can set up the expiration of the share link. You can select the specific time or a custom time when the share link will be expired. You can also set up the password. Only with the password can access the share link. And now insert the share link to your message. Add any information about the files you share and send it to your team members. It's really that easy to use QNAP NAS with Microsoft Teams.